The multiverse is real. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. We have talked about mindset, money, and vibration. Now, I am going to introduce you to the ultimate tool that connects all of these dots. It is called Reality Transurfing. Imagine a massive, infinite archive. In this archive, there are infinite film reels of your life. There is a film where you are a homeless beggar. There is a film where you are a billionaire CEO. There is a film where you are sick and a film where you are an athlete. They all exist right now, simultaneously, in the space of variations. Don't create, just select. Most people think they have to fight to build their future. They try to change the mirror. They try to break the wall. Transurfing says, stop fighting. You don't go to a supermarket and build the milk. The milk is already there on the shelf. You just walk up and take it. Reality is the same. You don't need to create your success from scratch. It already exists in the alternative space. Your job is simply to select that version of reality and move into it. Surfing the lifelines. So why are you stuck in the poor reality? Because your internal frequency is tuned to the poor channel. You are obsessing over your problems, so you are stuck on the track called problems. Transurfing means gliding from one lifeline to another, like a surfer riding a wave. You shift your focus, change your frequency, and literally hop onto a different timeline where the problem is solved. It sounds like science fiction, but it is quantum mechanics. The observer determines the reality. The world is a mirror. The world is a dual mirror. On one side is the physical reality, result. On the other side is the metaphysical thought, image. If you smile at the mirror, the reflection smiles back. But you are waiting for the reflection to smile first. That is why you are miserable. Smile first. Choose the reality first. The mirror has no choice but to reflect it. Life is not a battle. It is a choice. Which movie do you want to play today? In the next video, we will dive into the most dangerous trap in transurfing, pendulums, the energy vampires. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.